Welcome again to your channel, Magic Trends, your trusted source for the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, digital media, and trending global stories. If it's shaping the future, influencing culture, or redefining technology, we cover it. Subscribe now and stay ahead with Magic Trends. ChatGPT is reportedly developing a new desktop super app that aims to integrate ChatGPT, the Codex coding platform, and the Atlas browser into a unified experience. This shift signifies OpenAI's transition from a simple chatbot to a more complex platform capable of providing a range of services. The motivation for this integration stems from OpenAI's concern over managing its growing array of applications. By consolidating these functions, the super app could enhance user experience and operational efficiency. Once this merger is realized, ChatGPT would evolve into a multifaceted platform that allows users to browse the web, interact with their reading materials, automate tasks, write and debug code, and function as a comprehensive AI assistant, thereby mitigating the need to switch between multiple applications or browser tabs. This concept of a super app is not unprecedented, with platforms like WeChat demonstrating their potential, but incorporating AI signifies a notable advancement towards creating an all-in-one work. XAI sued by teen girl for harm from Grok AI child sexual abuse images. Teen girls have filed a class action lawsuit against Elon Musk's XAI, alleging that the company used its Grok AI technology to create and disseminate child sexual abuse material, or CSAM, featuring their likenesses. The lawsuit claims that XAI's actions resulted in severe violations of the plaintiff's privacy, dignity, and safety, ultimately benefiting the company financially while harming the girls. Grok reportedly allowed users to generate non-consensual intimate images, leading to an estimated 4.4 million abusive images produced in just 9 days. The global outrage that followed resulted in investigations and bans in several countries. The complaint argues that XAI is liable for not implementing adequate safeguards to prevent the creation of CSAM and for licensing its technology to third parties who used it to exploit vulnerable individuals. The plaintiffs, identified as Jane Does, experienced significant distress upon discovering that AI-generated abusive content featuring them was circulating online. Apple AirPods MAX 2 headphones powered by the new H2 chip. The upcoming AirPods MAX 2 from Apple, set for order on March 25th, feature the H2 chip, enhancing noise cancellation by 1.5 times and introducing a high dynamic range amplifier for improved audio clarity. Priced at $549, retaining the original's cost, they match the design of the first generation while integrating newer features such as adaptive audio, voice isolation, and enhanced Siri interactions. The enhanced H2 chip not only improves voice calling capabilities through advanced AI noise filtering, but also provides a more natural transparency mode. New color options include midnight, starlight, orange, purple, and blue. The headphones support lossless audio at 24-bit and 48 kHz via USB-C and include a game mode for reduced audio latency. Despite these upgrades, the minimalist carrying case remains unchanged and may be controversial due to its aesthetic. Overall, the AirPods MAX 2 align more closely with Apple's refreshed audio lineup than the minor updates seen in the USB-C version of the original model. Windows might stop the forced sign-in during the installation of its OS. Windows 11 may soon eliminate the frustrating requirement of a Microsoft account for setup, allowing users to easily create a local account instead. This change, reportedly advocated by Scott Hanselman, Microsoft's vice president, signals a significant shift in the company's approach. Historically, Microsoft has enforced this sign-in requirement for both Windows 11 Home and Pro editions, adding unnecessary friction, pushing its services, and limiting offline use. This has fueled dissatisfaction among users and even internal dissent within Microsoft. If implemented, users could set up their PCs without being compelled to sign in, leading to a cleaner, more straightforward installation process. Additionally, Microsoft aims to enhance the overall user experience by reducing setup complexities and listening to user feedback, prioritizing user control over forced integration into its ecosystem. Recent efforts also include making Windows less intrusive and improving usability features like the taskbar and performance optimization for lower RAM systems. Wikipedia burned AI-generated text. Wikipedia has officially banned the use of large language models, LLMs, in article content, with limited exceptions for editing and translation, as explained by administrator Chaotic NB. Previous proposals for new guidelines faced challenges due to varied opinions and critiques regarding vagueness and specificity. Under the new policy, authors cannot use LLMs to generate or rewrite articles. However, they may use LLMs to refine their own writing, similar to grammar checkers, as long as the edits are verified for accuracy. Additionally, LLMs can assist in translation, although editors must ensure fluency in both languages to avoid errors. This policy is exclusive to the English Wikipedia, as other versions, such as the Spanish Wikipedia, have distinct regulations. While Wikipedia provides tips to help identify LLM-written text, the detection remains imperfect, and some editorial styles may resemble LLM outputs. Meta to pay TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube creators with big audience to post on Facebook. Meta launched the Creator Fast Track program to attract top creators from TikTok and YouTube to Facebook by offering guaranteed monthly payments and enhanced reach. Creators with at least 100,000 followers can earn $1,000 monthly, while those with over 1 million followers receive $3,000 for 3 months. This initiative aims to ease the transition for established creators and integrate them into Facebook's content monetization program for ongoing reach enhancement. Meta reported nearly $3 billion paid to creators in 2025, with 60% allocated to Reels content, indicating a strong investment in creator engagement. To qualify, creators must share at least 15 Reels within 30 days across various days, permitting non-exclusive but original content. The program also aims to rectify Facebook's historical struggle in attracting creators from platforms like TikTok and YouTube. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg emphasized the potential for growth on Facebook as a creator-friendly platform, creating an opportunity amidst fluctuating earnings on other platforms. The company is integrating new metrics to assist creators in understanding their monetization potential, ensuring an attractive environment for content creators. OnePlus phone to end battery anxiety. Battery anxiety is a significant issue with mid-range smartphones, and the OnePlus Nord 6 aims to address this by featuring a 9,000 mAh battery, claimed to be the largest in its category, with a launch set for April 7th in India. The phone's notable attributes include an efficient 80W charging system and silicon-carbon technology designed to extend battery life without increasing the phone's thickness. OnePlus anticipates that the Nord 6 will provide up to 2.5 days of moderate use, with impressive usage metrics such as approximately 16.6 hours of navigation, nearly 27 hours of YouTube streaming, and over 6 hours of 4K video recording. Charging time is efficient, with a full charge achievable in around 70 minutes. The device also supports bypass charging, enhancing performance during gaming and recording by drawing power directly from the wall adapter, minimizing heat and wear. Additionally, reverse wired charging is available for accessories. Performance is bolstered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip, designed for demanding tasks while managing power usage effectively. The Nord 6 promises gaming enhancements with support for sustained 165 FPS in popular titles, maintaining a balance between performance and battery life. Accompanying features include a 165Hz AMOLED display for visual quality and connectivity improvements through a new G2 Wi-Fi chip and advanced 5G support. The official launch will provide detailed specifications. Pricing is expected to range between INR 35K and 40K. Ultimately, while the battery performance looks promising on paper, the true test will be its effectiveness in everyday use, as the combined interaction of software and hardware will be crucial for meeting user expectations regarding battery longevity. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the biggest tech stories happening right now, leave a like and tell us in the comments which innovation surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Magic Trends for more updates on the technologies shaping our world.